Are you ready to streamline your new home snagging process? Discover how eAuditor audits and inspections can help ensure all issues are captured efficiently. Learn how to manage repairs effectively with customizable checklists and task assignments. Start by capturing essential property details like address and type. Document the date of inspection and inspector's name for accurate records. Include developer and contractor information with space for notes. This overview ensures all critical data is collected. It sets the stage for a thorough inspection process. Inspect the roof for cracks or damage in tiles. Ensure guttering and downpipes are fixed without leaks. Check windows and doors for proper alignment and sealing. Driveway surfaces should be free from potholes. Examine landscaping and fencing for security and alignment. Inspect entrance hallways for even paint and smooth plaster. Check living rooms for secure skirting boards and draft-free windows. In bedrooms, ensure windows open smoothly and lighting works. Flooring should be free from gaps or scratches. This ensures a comfortable and functional living space. Check kitchen cabinets for even alignment and sealed joints. Ensure plumbing has no leaks and appliances function correctly. Bathroom tiles should be even with proper seals around fixtures. Verify ventilation systems work in both areas. This ensures functionality and safety in essential spaces. Ensure electrical systems have functioning light switches and sockets. Check smoke detectors and heating systems for proper operation. Plumbing should have good water pressure and no leaks. Radiators must distribute warmth evenly. This systems check ensures a safe and efficient home environment. With eAuditor, create a comprehensive snagging checklist tailored to your needs. Capture photos, assign tasks, and track progress seamlessly. This ensures all issues are resolved before the final handover, giving you confidence in the quality of your new home.